Hey guys, Courtney here with Southern Owls, and I am doing an unboxing video. This box is from Creek Road Designs TX. You can find them on Etsy. This is the store that I normally buy my signs from, but they have started carrying the cutest ribbon. So make sure you check them out for all of your ribbon and sign needs. Oh my gosh, Michelle, the owner, one of the owners, she has such a good eye for great ribbon. And of course I had to get some signs. So I got this super cute Gone Fishin'. He is risen. This one's so gorgeous. So this one's perfect for rodeo. It says, forget the glass slippers. This princess wears cowgirl boots. This one's hilarious. It says, welcome to the nut house. I had to. A cute little frog. This says, welcome to our pad. And then of course, come on, we needed a hey y'all. We needed a hey y'all. All right, if y'all want to order with them, it's Creek Road Designs TX on Etsy. Use my code OWL10 and you'll receive 10% off your order. Bye everyone.